How are you today, my friends? This is Frank again, and today we're gonna learn how to draw Sandy Cheeks. We're gonna draw her piece by piece. We're gonna start with the head. After we have done all of the details, we can go to the next part. So we're starting with the basic shape, which is a rectangle. And the bottom, which is a specific shape. Now I divide it in the middle. And then I'm going to place the ears on the corners of the rectangle, like this. Right at the division of the lines, I'm going to draw a triangle for the nose. And then the smile, and of course the cheeks should be here. So the lower part of her mouth is gonna be really big. There must be lots of space to fit the teeth. Here are the teeth, the front teeth. And the tongue, which is gonna be right behind them. Now the eyes are just gonna be two simple circles. They're gonna be touching each other. Like this. And 3 eyelashes on each one of the eyes. 2 dots for the irises. And now let's make her cheeks a bit more anatomical. Okay, now that we have drawn her neck, I'm going to draw an oval because that's going to be the entrance to her Aquanaut suit. And it's never enough to emphasize that I have to ask you guys to leave us a like and subscribe. Like the video so more people will know that we are around. Thank you very much for being here with us. Your company is always appreciated. Now let's go back to the tutorial. I'm gonna get the measure of the tip of her ear to her neck. Then it's gonna be the size of her Aquanaut suit. It's just gonna be a big cylinder. It's gonna have a rounded bottom like this. So you see where you're going. So now I'm gonna place a few more details on the edge here. For her arm, I'm just going to do something like a cup handle. So 2 inverted letters C right here. And the hand is just gonna be like any other cartoon hand. And then we're gonna draw these 4 lines to help us give it some depth. The other arm is just gonna be another cylinder. It's narrower on the shoulder and it's gonna get wider as it approaches the hand. So there's the simple shape for the hand. And then we draw 3 lines. Don't forget they have to be in the right direction. Okay, so we're gonna draw the zipper. It's just a circle and a triangle, and then there's gonna be the zigzag line going down to the end of the suit. Okay, now for the legs, it's just gonna be something really short. So the legs are gonna be here, and with this curved line I start making the boots. And I have established that they are gonna end around here at the end of the line. So I'm establishing the ground line, so I know where the feet are going to end. Around here. And then the last thing I'm going to do is to draw the soles. It's just like an extension of the feet. A couple of ovals on her ankles. Now for the tail, it's gonna be simple. It's just gonna be an inverted letter S, like this. And let's make some hair around it. And for her glassy helmet, it's just gonna be a sphere around the head, like this. Alright, now I think the last thing we have to do is the flower on top of her helmet. 5 petals. Now let me reinforce the lines. So now it's the time when I get my colored pencils, but you can do it with whatever medium you like. Just choose one you feel most comfortable with and go nuts with it. Here I had previously forgotten to draw the badge, so I'm going to do it now. No big deal. Alright, so Sandy Cheeks is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video up to this point. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Your participation is also important, so if you like, you can also leave us a comment. Thank you again, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.